5 Best Coffee Makers 2018. Gustino Automatic Electric Milk Frother. Gustino Premier Automatic Milk Frother, Heater and Cappuccino Maker with new foam density feature, hot and cool. Specification: water tank, 250 milliliters. Heating time: 8ds. Materials: sus/abs/pc. Input power: 220 to 240 volts, 50/60H. Homgeek Stainless Steel Electric Milk Frother. Sleek and stylish design, froth hot or cold milk with convenience. 115 milliliters capacity when frothing and 240 milliliters capacity for the hot milk setting. Easy to use, 360 degrees swivel base, 1 button operation and automatic switch off. Easy to clean stainless steel parts and removable whisk. Be your own barista, enjoy making coffee shop drinks at home in just a Eworld Glantop aluminum 1 cup/3 cup/6 cup/9 cup/12 cup, Glantop aluminum 1 cup/3 cup/6 cup/9 cup/12 cup Italian stovetop, Moka Espresso coffee maker, percolator pot tool, free shipping. This octagon-shaped stovetop espresso maker is made with a cast aluminum frame. The two chamber attach with a simple screw lock and are separated by a rubber gasket. The pouring top is constructed with a copper safety valve to avoid overflow during boiling. Eworld Portable Coffee Maker Mini Espresso Coffee Machine. Size: height, 196 mm. Upper diameter, 55 mm. Lower diameter, 58 mm. Coffee powder capacity, 10 grams. Water capacity, 140 milliliters. Material: plastic PP stainless steel 304 silicone. Make a pretty good espresso with this portable and easy to use coffee maker. Homeleader Italian Top Moka Espresso Cafeteira Expresso. Homeleader Coffee Makers Italian Top Moka Espresso Cafeteira Expresso Percolator 3 cup/6 cup/9 cup/12 cup Stovetop Coffee Maker. Moka Pot. In a Moka pot, is a tool for extracting espresso coffee in Europe and Latin American countries, in the United States known as the Italian drip pot. Moka pot is a two-story structure, arranged in the lower portion of a boiling water after boiling. Thanks for watching. Subscribe this channel. Drop a like, comment and share.